about a Turing machine. Now, the way that we defined earlier machines, this also would be like represented using different parameters. So we will assume that there are 7 tuples. Now, if you recall, with finite automata, we had a tape. It is only read only kind of. You can read and you can shift to next, and there would be control mechanism, okay, which is controlled by delta, the transition function. Further, we saw push down automata. So with push down automata, there was some addition given. So whatever the tape was there, it is it is having same kind of functioning, a read only, shifting with the application of transition function to next location, correct? And there would be a stack provided called as push down stack. Fine. Now this Turing machine will have now similar stuff, like one modification. Now there is no extra memory the way that we saw a stack earlier, but now whatever this tape is divided in the similar way like what we saw the locations. Okay, this on this tape there would be a head, and this head would be read and write. Correct. So this head would be read and write. So you can read from, you can write onto, like what is happening with memory. Moreover, it can move to left as well as right. Fine. This Turing machine tape would be able to move to left as well as right. So now when we have a tape, ultimately there would be symbols. So some symbols like we will be having same thing as Q. Okay, which is what is Q by the way in other machines? It was set of states, correct? Fine. Then we would be having sigma. This would be set of inputs. Would be having tau. Again, now this tau would be tape symbols. Now sigma is subset of tau. Some modification is there. Correct. Sigma would be subset of tau. There would be delta, which we will be talking about after a while. Transition function. Q sigma tau delta. There would be Q0 initial state. There would be a special symbol called B, called a blank symbol, and there would be F. Now this F will have at least one step. Minimum number of states which could be called as final state is 1. So you can have as many as final states as you can. Okay, depending upon what is there in Q. Sigma is set of inputs. Q, as I said earlier, Q is set of states, and then you can add like finite non-empty set of states kind of. Sigma would be input symbols. This sigma is subset of tau. This tau is called as tape symbols. This B, which is a blank, called as blank symbol or special symbol. This B belongs to tau. Fine. This B belongs to tau. Delta, like Q0 is initial state belonging to capital Q. Capital F is subset of Q. Now this delta would be something like this. So there would be Q, a state. There would be tau, some symbol on the tip. So we are not going to say sigma or what. It is tau because sigma itself is subset of tau. Correct? So Q cross tau gives Q cross Now I will add something here. So this would be again element there, correct? Element there. Now when we do really work with this, as I said, one can write here, one can read from. So how many elements you are going to write? It depends, depending upon what exactly you have at your end. As well as I somewhere said like this would be read and write head, as well as the movement would be to the left as well as to the right. Sorry, as well as right. Move to left as well as right. You can read and write on this step. Now, like whenever we are talking about this, we are going to add left and right direction. So this would be L and R. So either you would be moving to left or you are going to move to right. Fine. Now, when I'm saying that we would be using a Turing machine. Okay, we would be using a Turing machine, which would be reading the element from the tape, correct? With the state. In current state, it would be it Q, some element in Q. It is going to read a symbol from the tape, and it will result to some modification on the tape. Probably we don't know what exactly it would be. So we are in general saying to. Now it could be blank, it could be any symbol from sigma, it could be any other symbol than sigma and B. Fine. But it is going to take an action whether to move this read right head to left or right. Now we are writing to because it is going to write over here too. Read as well as write. Correct. Now let me take an example. How will it work? So then we will again concentrate on what is the definition. Okay, for a while. So we are going to implement this as always as a transition table. Now see, we worked with finite automata, the transition table. With PDA, we saw transition function. Okay, Turing machine can be implemented using transition function, transition diagram, or transition table. So it is true for all these three. Like you can design it as a transition diagram too. But me and you all would be having a handshake. That handshake is what? Whenever a finite automata is, we mostly will try to have either a transition table or a transition diagram. With push down automata, it would be transition function, the way that we wrote delta q comma something, correct? And in in Turing machine, we are going to work with a transition table. Fine. And how it would be? So let us take an example. So I'm taking one example. I will repeat again. So suppose this memory contains binary numbers. So I want to compute, design a TM. So I'm saying Turing machine, which takes a binary number as input and computes one's complement. What is one's complement? So if your number is 10110, so in one's complement, what you do? You make 1 as 0, 0 as 1, 1 as 0, 1 as 0, 0 as 1. So this would be your one's complement. So if I am given this, so initially let me assume like I'm going to work with tape. So on the tape, I always would be seeing as I am given a binary. So sigma in this case is what? 0, 1. Correct? And my toe would be containing this B. So I am assuming that in my transition table, I am going to have these three symbols on the tape as input. Fine. Now I would be in initial state Q0. So whenever I do see 0, what I said, we are going to make it as 1 and move to next. So I will write it like this Q0 1 R. So what I did, suppose if my string is like this 1 0 1 1 0 and always my string would be ending with B. Okay, this is assumption, like after and before my string there would be B, and my machine specifically knows where to start with. So that's what it goes directly here. So if it sees 1, then it is going to make it as 0. If it reads 0, it is going to make it as 1. Now let us see what exactly happens here. So our string is 1 0 1 1 0. So we are here Q0. Q0 1. What is Q0 1? What is Q0 1? Are you there? Rutuja?
Yes, sir.
So what I said, what is the logic to compute one's complement? Make 1 as 0 and 0 as 1. So whenever I'm reading this, this is a tape symbol. This is a tape symbol that I got. Correct? This is tape that I'm having. Now I'm with Q0 state, initial state. I could see that there is 1. So I have to make it as 0 and move to next. So Q0 1. I will make it as 0. So this is overwrite. This is written here. So like let me write it here using other pen so that it would be visible. So this would be made as 0 by this. Correct. And now your read write head comes here. We are in same state. Q0 0. What is Q0 0? It should be made as 1. So make it 1. This moves next. Q0 1. What is Q0 1? Q0 0R. Q0 1. Q0 0R. Q0 0. Q0 1R. Q0 B. Now see, have we got one's complement? See 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. So is our answer done? Yes. So whenever it goes to B, you directly say accept, or you write this QFBN. Now this N we are adding here means no movement. Stop there. Or stop. So this is your Turing machine for computing one's complement of a binary. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Alad,
Yes, sir.
Akshay,
Yes, sir.
so any question? Nair, Manisha, Siddhi, are you with me? Have you understood what I did?
Yes.
Yes,
We are
sir.
talking about Turing machine, which is represented as these 7 tuples. Okay, Q, sigma, tau, delta, Q0, BF. Q is set of state. Sigma is set of inputs from the tape. So we are going to always say sigma is subset of tau. Correct. This tau is tape symbols. This B is a special symbol called blank symbol belonging to tau. Q0 is your initial state. We already said about B. F is your final state.
Sir,
Ah.
if B belongs to toe, then why are we including it as a separate thing in the tuples?
In the tuples, because we need to tell which would be the identity, which would be the basic symbol, because we are going to take action depending upon it. When should we terminate? See how like whenever you are talking about a file in C, like while you were taught C language, if you can recall correctly, you were told there is end of file symbol, correct? There would be end of line symbol, correct?
Yes, yes.
So that's why we need to tell where to stop. See, I know I have to stop at 10:10. Suppose I don't stop that time. What will happen? You will continue probably up to what time? Until like your net connectivity is there, or you don't have any other session. Whenever your other session is, you will terminate. So you know where to stop yourself, or where I exactly know where I should stop. But if I declared prior that I am going to stop after 4 hours, then yes, I'm going to stop after 4 hours. I know exactly what is the end. That's what our actions would be mainly depending upon this or any symbol. If it is not dependent on this, then we are going to take action depending upon other symbols. But now we need to know where my string ends. This string ends with B. Now suppose, now in this case, what are the example that I took? We are going towards only right, correct? We wrote right, and then I said N. You may say I haven't included N here. So you may, if you want, you can include it as an hidden agenda or hidden element to say that no movement. But as per the standard, it says in which direction, whether left or right. If you are not moving, then you simply write accept. That means it enters into final state. Or if you don't want to write this, you simply write this QFBN. Is that fine?
Okay, okay, got it. Okay.
Rohit, is
Yes,
that
sir.
fine?
Yes, sir. Fine.
So I'm assuming everyone is with me, correct? Fine. So let me take another example. Now we computed one's complement. How to compute two's complements? So let me first write one's complement. What we said, there would be Q0, there would be B, sorry, 0, 1 and B. So you write here QF, you say accept, means stop there. So you are writing QF B N. So Q00, what is Q00? We said Q01R, Q00R. Now you can use this for any binary number with assumption that that number is on tape. Then you would be getting one's complement. You take any bigger number, suppose 1100101011 and B. Suppose we are here Q01. So if we know like this should be our solution. 11 yeah, and last one. This should be our solution. So let us see what happens. Q01, Q00R, Q01, Q00R, Q00, Q01R, Q00, Q01R, Q01, Q00R, Q00, Q01R, Q01, Q00R, Q00, Q01R, Q01, Q00R, Q01, Q00R, Q0B, QFBN. Stop. So do you see these and these same? Done. Now you take any binary number with any length. This should work. With assumption that you will be able to write it there. Right? Now what is 2's complement? How you compute 2's complement? Suppose this is the given to you 10000. So your 1's complement is what? 0111. Okay, then you add 1 into 1's complement, then you get 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 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 0 plus 1 1. So if your number is this 1111, 1's complement would be 0000. Correct. Then you add 1 into it. So your 1's complement would be 0001. Sorry, 2's complement would be this. So this is 1's complement, and for 2's complement you add 1 into last digit. Correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now suppose your number is something different. Something different I meant to say, like 110011. Now it would be what? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. And your one's two's complement would be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Correct? Now let us say it is like this. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. How would your one's complement would be? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Correct? Now your two's complement would be plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. This 1. Then 0, 1, 0, 0. So you add 1 into this number. So 1 plus 1, 0. Then carry 1. So 0 plus 1 would be 1. Correct? So now simple thing would be what? If you get this, when you reach to last, you come back. Because you are going to make this first conversion. Now you are going to come back. See, initially you move to right for computing one's complement. You reach to the end B. Then you are coming back, and then if you see if 1 is there, make it 0. 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 If 0 is there, make it 1 and stop. Correct? Is that fine? Now what happens with this 0, 0, 0, 0? Suppose this is your number. What would be 1's complement? 1, 1, 1, 1. Correct? Now what will be solution now? Plus 1. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 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 1. Now there is nothing. So you are going to add 1. Now see, we said this number would be covered with B in the both side. So when you see that there is no 0 available in the string after computing one's complement, you are going to replace this B by 1 and stop. Anytime whenever you see 0, you are going to make 1 and stop. Okay, while coming to left. Fine. So let me try writing this. So you please can help me out. Okay, while writing this, let us say Q0. So we are going to have elements as 0, 1 and B same. So Q0, 0, Q0, 1 R, Q0, 1, Q0, 0 R. Now you are going to make this like see what are the number that is given to you. You are going to go on replacing it by 0, 0 by 1, 1 by 0. And then when B is there, in this case we stopped. Now we have to come back. So we'll write Q1 BL. Why this BL? See, you replaced these all numbers. You reached to the last. You got B. Now you have to come back and search for 0. If 0 is there, make it 1 and stop. Correct. But if 1 is there, make it 0, move on. So let me write this. So if I'm in Q1, like let me take first this example. So I got this. Okay, let me take a simpler one. Which one would be better? Yeah, we will take this one. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So what we did with this Q0, 0. Sorry, Q0, 1, Q0, 0 R, Q0, 1, Q0, 0 R, Q0, 0, Q0, 1 R, Q0, 0, Q0, 1 R, Q0, 1, Q0, 0 R, Q0, 1, Q0, 0 R. We are getting B. Q0 B. We are saying Q1 BL. Now we are here. Q1 0. Make it 1 and stop. So you say QF1 no movement. But now this is done. So this problem is solved. So you can see now. Let me try it. So if my string is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 and then B and then B. Correct. So Q0, 0, Q0, 1, we made it 0. Q0, 1, we made it 0. Q0, 0, 1. Q0, 0, 1. Q0, 1, 0. Q0, 1, 0. Q0 B, we keep B as it is. We move to left. Now we are here. Q1, 0. So we are making it 1 and going to stop. This is 2's complement, correct? So this example is solved. Now let us take this one. So we have 1, 0, sorry, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So Q0, 1. This is B. This is B, by the way. Okay. Q0, 1. Q0, 0 R. Q0, 1. Q0, 0 R. Q0, 0. Q01R, Q01, Q00R, Q01, Q00R, Q00, Q01R, Q0B, Q1BL. Now we are here. Q11. Now this should be made 0 because 1 plus 1 is 0. So we'll write here Q10L. Now we are here. Q1 1, QF1N. So you will be getting 0 0 1 0 1 0. Correct? Because this one was made as 0 by this. Am I right? Is that fine?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now let me take this example. 1 0 0 0. No, I am taking all possible cases. Huh? So Q01, Q00R, Q01. So Q00, Q01R, 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 Q01R. We are having B here. Covered here. Huh? Q0B, Q1BL, Q11, Q0, Q10L, Q11, Q10L, Q11, Q10L, Q11, Q10L, Q10, QF1N. Is this correct? Yes. Now let us take this one. So we worked with this one, this one, this one. Now let us take this 1 1 1 1. Q11. Sorry, Q01, Q00R, Q1, Q01, Q00R, Q01, Q00R, Q01, Q00R, Q0B, Q1BL here. Q0, sorry, Q1 0. Make it 1. And we don't touch anything. So this is the solution. Is that right? Yes, this is done. Now let us take this one. This is tricky. Now let me take 0 0 0 0 B B. We have to add one entry here now. Okay, we are starting here. Q00, Q01R, Q00, Q01R, Q00, Q01R, Q00, Q01R, Q0B, Q1BL, Q1B, Q10L, Q1 1, Q1 0L, Q1 1, Q1 0L, Q1 1, Q1 0L. Now this B is to be changed to 1 and stop. So QF1N. Now you apply this for any solution. Now let me take this string. Okay, let us take this one. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Now this would be 1's complement. 1 0 1 0 1 1. So plus 1 results to 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, this one. So 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Correct? So this should be the solution. So let us check. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. This is your solution. This is your string, input string. Q1, sorry, Q00, Q01R, Q01R, Q00R, Q00R, Q01R, Q00R, Q01R, Q00R, Q01R, Q01R, Q1BL. So it is here. Q11, Q10L, Q11, Q10L, Q10, QFBN. Rest of the thing is kept as it is because we are writing on the same tape. So this would be your solution. Am I right? Is that fine?
But
That's
sir,
fine.
what about that QF1N?
So like if even like this is accept na. So you write here because we changed last 1 to 1 na. So if you add here, don't do anything. Dash 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 done. Because you are entering into final state. You are achieved the solution na. So you can
No,
write.
sir. In the string 0000, lastly we get the 1000.
This
So
one, yeah.
here not one carry, will not carry one in the last.
See,
So
I will let you know. What is your string? 0000. Okay. What is your ones complement? 1111. So you add 1 into here. So your original number was 4 digits. So 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. Correct? 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. Now you take 1 here. So this is how you compute 2's complement. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what we wanted, see, we know that this given digit is 4 digit, given number is 4 digits, correct? And we are getting 5 digit. That means what? We have to manipulate this B while coming left. We have to manipulate this B to 1. That's what we did here. Is that fine?
Yes, I got it. Yes.
Got it? Very good. So any other question? If you have any, please ask. This is your solution. Okay. Any question, query? Yes, please. Are you with me for both the examples? Have you understood?
Sir, in case while we are going left, if we arrive at a situation where say we have Q1 1, from Q1 0L we
Okay,
reach 1.
repeat. You first make yourself clear what you want to say because you
Okay,
generate.
I'll do it at the end of the class, then
Okay,
I'll
okay.
write it down.
Okay, you write it down and you let me know. So others, is that fine? Akshay, Shubhangi,
Yes, sir.
Samay, Akshay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir. थोडं
Shall we move
confusion
to
आहे.
next? Yeah, sorry, you were saying something.
थोडं confusion आहे, बघतो नंतर सर.
हो का?
परत.
विचार काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. आपल्याला काय वेळच वेळ आहे. पुढच्या वर्षी
नाही
घेऊ एक्झाम वाटल्यास तर.
नाही सर. टेबल मध्ये confusion आहे फक्त, बाकी काही नाही.
ओके, कुठे सांग मला. I will try to clear it.
म्हणजे
I will repeat one more time. Listen carefully now everyone. Huh? So how you computed one's complement? 0 दिसला की 1 करायचा, 1 दिसला की 0 करायचा. And somewhere you have to stop, correct?
yes
So
sir.
त्याच्याकरता आपण हा बी अजूम करतोय की अगोदर आणि नंतर स्ट्रिंग एंड ऑफ स्ट्रिंग आणि स्टार्ट ऑफ स्ट्रिंग. स्ट्रिंगच्या आजूबाजूला नेहमी बी असेल असं आपलं अझम्पशन आहे. करेक्ट? दिस आवर अझम्पशन. So whenever we are scanning the string, we are assuming that it is covered with bees. Left side as well as right side. In between there would be a string. Now when you start, you are going to make 0 as 1 and 1 as 0. And whenever you are getting B, you stop. Fine. So this would be pretty simple in this case because see what we are doing, we are writing on the tape itself. So whenever you are working on in a array, suppose ये आपका array है, consider करो C का प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हो, आप उसमें ऐसे बाइनरी नंबर दिया है array में, तो आपको उसको करना है, तो आप क्या करोगे, एक एक इंडेक्स को करते जाओगे ना, ऐसे देख के ये 0 है कि क्या है, वो 0 है तो उसको 1 करो या 1 है तो 0 करो, करेक्ट? दैट्स हाउ यू विल वर्क. Am I right? Now suppose you have to compute 2's complement. What is to be done then? What is the method of 2's complement? First compute 1's complement and add 1 into that. Correct? So it is what? 1's complement plus 1. It is 2's complement. So for that purpose, what is to be done? So I took all different cases and all these cases are covered. That means your full solution is final. Now you have to consider situations like we know what would be the possible situations. One situation is like this. Given string is zeros only. So you convert it to 1. So you got 1, 1, 1, 1. Now when you add 1, earlier number was 4-digit number, binary number was 4-digit number. But when you arrive to the result, you are getting a 5-digit number. And for some cases, it will remain as same number of digits as the input string. Suppose this, you are given 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So you compute 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 1's complement. Add 1 into it, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1, then stop. Same thing, like if I have other string like 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, make it 0, 0, 0, 0, add 1 to it. So what are the, while coming to the left, whatever the 0 that you get, make it 1 and stop. This is the general rule. If you find 1 while coming to the left, make it 0 and continue till you get 0. Suppose while coming to the left, you are not getting 0 at all. You are not getting 0 at all. And in that situation, whatever the blank symbol is there towards left side, make it 1 and stop. This is the logic. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me add this first for a while. So till that time you can think, like if you find any problem there, you can ask me.
Sir, can we do 0, 1, 0, 0?
1 minute. You give me a string. I will work with the string.
Yeah, 0, 1, 0, 0.
So your string is 0, 1, 0, 0. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now what would be 1's complement? 1, 0, 1, 1. Correct? What would be 2's complement? Add 1 to it. So 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1, 0 plus 1, 1. So your solution should be this. Let us track. Okay, so you have string here. I'm writing that string here. 0, 0, sorry. 0, 1, 0, 0. This is your string. Correct? Let us try. Q0, 0. Q0, 1 R. Q0, 1. Q0, 0 R. Q0, 0. Q0, 1 R. Q0, 0. Q0, 1 R. Q0, B. So we are having B, na? So you come to left. Enter into Q1. Correct? Q1, 1. Q1, 0. I'll make it 0. Q1, 1. 0. Q1, 0. Make it 1. So 1, 1, 0, 0. Correct?
Oh, okay. So we don't have to go all the way to the end of the
See, that's what I
end
said.
of
Your
the
logic is what? Your logic is what? While coming to the left, till the time you get 0, continue this process. If you don't at all get 0, then search for B. That's left.
Okay.
When this situation occurs, such a situation. If you are not getting any 0 while coming to the left, correct? Then only you have to convert this B to 1. Otherwise, see other examples. Wherever you get first 0 while coming to the left, make it 1, done. In this case also, see, this was the example. So we got 1's complement like this. Now we started here. So 1 we made 0, 1 we made 0. We got 0, we made 1, stopped. See, remaining number I kept as it is. Fine?
Okay, okay, got it.
Shall we move to next then?
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेट करते हैं, ठीक है? अगर आपको याद होगा, so we saw this language. पुश डाउन ऑटोमेटा में क्या था, जैसे कि I don't know how many of you have used Emacs. Have you used Emacs? Editor on Linux? ऋतुजा नाही वापरला ना? समय वापरलायस? Okay, good. So you will see what, like whenever you are using, whenever you are writing opening bracket, then it keeps in mind. Whenever you write closing bracket, it matches with the leftmost. Whichever is the leftmost opening bracket. So it is matching. So there is a stack. We saw that push down automata works with it. Now we don't have any extra stack. So your string is like this. A, B, 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 B. Now you are covered with this B. अभी क्या करो, देखो लॉजिक क्या है. आपको पहला A मिल गया, ठीक है? इसको याद रखो. याद कैसे रखेंगे? So if I keep this A as it is, then problem would be, how will I know that I have covered this A? So we will mark it by X. We'll replace it by X. We will skip all A's and we will find B. तो देखो क्या किया, A को X किया, राइट को गए, इसको A को स्किप किया, A को स्किप किया, B मिला, उसको Y किया, फिर लेफ्ट में आए, A मिला, स्किप किया, A मिला, स्किप किया, X मिला, फिर से नेक्स्ट A को ढूंढने गए, इसको X किया, so you are making this X, moving towards right, skip A, skip y, search b. So you got b, mark it y. Come towards left, skip y, skip a, find x. x मिला, फिर से राइट में जाओ, इसको x करो, इसको स्किप करो, इसको स्किप करो, क्योंकि आपको पता है राइट में जाने के टाइम में क्या सर्च करना है और लेफ्ट में जाने के टाइम में क्या सर्च करना है. अगर आप देखो तो राइट में जाने के टाइम आपको b सर्च करना है और लेफ्ट में आते टाइम x को सर्च करना है. बाकी सारे सिंबल जो बीच में आते हैं उनको स्किप करना है. तो अभी इसको x किया, इनको स्किप, इसको y. फिर से वापस आए, x को ढूंढना है. x के बाद अगर y मिलता है इसका मतलब a खत्म हो गया. करेक्ट? नंबर ऑफ एज आर ओवर बिकॉज देयर इज नो ए रिमेनिंग. तो फिर आप सिर्फ राइट में जाते चलो. अगर आपको कहीं पे भी बी मिलता है इसका मतलब ये रॉन्ग स्ट्रिंग हो गया, क्योंकि आपका स्ट्रिंग क्या है, ए रेस्टोरेंट बी रेस्टोरेंट. बी मतलब मैं स्मॉल बी की बात कर रहा हूं. जब आपको लास्ट में बी मिल रहा है, इसको जब एक्स मिला आप राइट में शिफ्ट करो और आपको सिर्फ वाई आता है तो स्किप करते चलो. अगर बी मिल गया देन स्टॉप, दैट मींस योर स्ट्रिंग इज ओवर. सपोज ऐसे स्ट्रिंग है आपका ए ए ए ए बी 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 बी. क्या होगा, इसको एक्स किया, राइट में गए, इसको वाई किया, फिर से लेफ्ट में आए, इसको एक्स किया, राइट में गए, इसको वाई किया, लेफ्ट में आए, एक्स किया, राइट में गए, वाई किया, लेफ्ट में आए, एक्स किया. अभी आपको बी मिल रहा है यहाँ पर, स्मॉल बी नहीं, ये बी आ जाएगा. तो इसका मतलब उस स्टेट में उस बी को टेबल में एंट्री नहीं चाहिए, इसका मतलब वो एरर हो जाएगा. एरर मतलब दिस इज नॉट अ वैलिड स्ट्रिंग. ये लॉजिक है, समझ में आ गया? तो इससे हमें पता क्या चलेगा, ए के लिए एक्स यूज करना है, बी के लिए वाई यूज करना है. मतलब टेप पर कितने सिंबल हो गए अभी बोलो? टेप पर पहले क्या एलिमेंट्स थे, ये कैपिटल बी कॉमन रहेगा, आपका इनपुट स्ट्रिंग है ए और बी का कॉम्बिनेशन. सो ए बी और बी था. अभी हम टेप पर कंसिडर कर रहे हैं एक्स और वाई. सिग्मा में आपका सिर्फ ए और बी है इस लैंग्वेज के हिसाब से, लेकिन टो में है एक्स वाई बी. ये जो ओरिजिनल अर्लियर एग्जांपल्स थे, यहां पर हमने 0 को और 1 को ही यूज किया रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए, लेकिन यहां पर हम ए और बी यूज नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि पता कैसे चले ना कि हमने इस ए को कवर कर लिया है. हम सिर्फ सिक्वेंट पेयर ढूंढ रहे हैं उसका. आर यू विद मी
Yes, sir.
एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सिद्धि, रुचा, निवेदिता.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope everyone is with me.
Yes,
Na?
sir.
So let me now start writing this. Now see, how many columns would be there? In this case, we had only 3 columns, correct? Now there would be A, B, X, Y, and B, because we are going to get all these symbols there. So let me write it here. So I'm going to have A, I'm going to have B, I'm going to have X, I'm going to have Y, I'm going to have B. Correct? तो मेरा इनिशियल स्टेट है Q0. चलो अभी हम स्ट्रिंग को यहाँ पर साइड बाय साइड ट्रैक करते हैं. हमारा ये हमने दिया हुआ स्ट्रिंग जो वैलिड स्ट्रिंग मान के चलते हैं हम. ठीक है, ये ऐसे है. वी नो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट हियर विद ए. सो ए को क्या करना है हमें, ए को रिप्लेस किससे करना है, एक्स से. करेक्ट? अगर मैं उसी स्टेट में रखता हूं तो फिर से ए मिलेगा तो इसको एक्स कर देगा. तो इसीलिए मुझे इसको स्टेट को अगर मैं सपोज यहाँ पर लिख रहा हूं Q0XR, तो क्या हो जाएगा, फिर से ए आएगा नेक्स्ट. सो फिर से उसको रिप्लेस कर देगा. लेकिन हमें क्या करना है, एट ए टाइम ए को एक्स से रिप्लेस एक ही ए को करना है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग दिस एज Q1XR. सो पहला ए कवर हो गया. अभी हम किस स्टेट में है, किस स्टेट में हम, Q1.
Q1.
ए आता है तो हमने क्या बोला, हमें ए को कुछ करना नहीं, हमें बी तक जाना है. सो इसको हमें स्किप करना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर Q1AR. तो ए आया AR, ए आया AR, बी आया, तो इसको Y करना है. क्योंकि याद होगा तो मैंने क्या किया था, ए को X किया, फिर बी को ढूंढा, बी को Y किया. तो अभी इस बी को Y करना है. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा, सॉरी बी को ना, हाँ यहाँ पर. तो यहाँ पर मैं बी को लिख रहा हूँ Y और लेफ्ट में आना है, क्योंकि मुझे लेफ्ट में आना है, अभी ए को ढूंढना है. नाउ अगर मैं इधर लेफ्ट में आ रहा हूं तो मुझे फिर से स्टेट चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तो मैं यहाँ पर लिख रहा हूँ Q2. वापिस आते टाइम मुझे स्मॉल बी मिलेगा क्या Q2 में जाने के बाद?
नहीं सर।
नहीं, तो इसका मतलब ये यहाँ पर एंट्री ब्लैंक आएगा, डैश कर दो। जो भी डैश रहेगा वो एरर रहेगा। इफ इट इज नॉट एन विद एन, अर्लियर केस में उस स्टेट में अगर एन करके नहीं जा रहे तो देन अदरवाइज इट इज एन एरर। अगर ए आता है तो क्या करना है हमें, उसको स्किप करते चलना है, करेक्ट। इसको स्किप करना है, इसको स्किप करना है, एक्स तक जाना है। इसका मतलब यहाँ पर लिखेंगे हम Q2AL, स्किप करते चलो, ठीक है। आर यू विद मी?
यस यस सर।
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो वी गॉट Q2AL, Q2AL, Q2X। अभी ए को हमने किससे एक्स किया था, कौन से स्टेट में किया था?
Q0।
सो जब भी ए एक्स आएगा तो यहां पर हम लिख देंगे Q0XR। तो ये यहां पे आया तो फिर से इधर गया। अभी Q0 कौन सा सिंबल रहेगा अंडर रीड हेड, राइट हेड?
X।
ए आएगा ना अभी फिर से। सो Q0A क्या है? Q0A Q1XR, इसको एक्स कर दिया। सो वी आर इन Q1। Q1A Q1AR, करेक्ट। Q1Y हमने लिखा है कि यहां पर नहीं लिखा है, इसको लिख देंगे Q1YR, क्योंकि स्किप करना है ना हमें ये Y। हमें क्या ढूंढना है? बी। राइट में जाते टाइम बी ढूंढना है, बाकी जो भी सिंबल आएगा उसको स्किप करते चलना है। सो Y आ गया, उसको स्किप किया, ठीक है। अभी Q1B, Q1B क्या है? इस B को करो Y, लेफ्ट को आओ। किस स्टेट में गए आप अभी? Q2, करेक्ट। सो Q2Y, अभी ये Y आएगा, तो ये क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पर? Q2YL। यहाँ पर Q2A Q2AL, Q2X क्या हो गया? Q2X क्या है? Q0XR। अभी यहां पर आए, फिर से हमारा रीड राइट हेड इधर गया। Q0A, Q0A क्या है? Q1XR, करेक्ट। Q1Y Q1YR, Q1Y Q1YR, Q1B क्या है? Q2YL, Q2Y Q2YL, Q2YL, Q2X Q0XR, करेक्ट। अभी इधर Q0Y, अभी हमें पता है कि सारे एज खत्म हो चुके हैं, तो हमें सिर्फ इसको स्किप करते चलना है। तो यहां पर हम स्टेट चेंज कर लेते हैं, सपोज Q3YR। सारे वाई स्किप हो जाएंगे, बी मिल गया, यहां पर एंटर कर दो QFBN। ठीक है। अभी बाकी एंट्रीज के लिए क्या करना है, क्योंकि हमने ये तो डैश कर दिया, बाकी एंट्रीज के लिए देखना है। और जब भी हम Q1 में रहेंगे हमें एक्स आने वाला है क्या? देखो Q1 में जब जाएंगे हम तो राइट में ही जाएंगे, करेक्ट। सो यू विल नेवर गेट एक्स। सो इस एक्स के लिए एंट्री रहेगा डैश, करेक्ट। अभी हम ऐसे स्ट्रिंग लेते हैं, सपोज ए बी बी बी। ये पता है आपको कि ओरिजिनल इसमें फिट होता है क्या लैंग्वेज? ये स्ट्रिंग लैंग्वेज में फिट होता है? इट इज वैलिड स्ट्रिंग?
No.
No, correct. So let us try this. So we'll take this step A B B Q0A इसको किया X, Q1XR Q1 में, Q1A Q1AR, Q1A Q1AR, Q1B Q2 किया, इसको Y कर दिया, करेक्ट। Q2YL, Q2A Q2AL, Q2A Q2AL, Q2X, फिर से ये Q0XR यहां पर Q0A Q1XR, ये आ गया Q1, Q1A Q1AR, Q1Y Q1YR, Q1B Q2, इसको Y किया, ये Q2 में गया। अभी Q2Y रिटर्न टाइम करते टाइम Y आया, Q2Y Q2YL, Q2A Q2L, Q2X Q0XR, इधर Q0A ये हो गया Q0, Q0A ये कर गया X, Q1XR, Q1Y Q1 वायर, Q1 Y, Q1 वायर, Q1 B हमने लिखा है कुछ यहाँ पर, लिखा है कुछ यहाँ पर?
नहीं।
इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? एरर सिचुएशन आ गया, करेक्ट? So let us take another string. So I will write about QF later. So let us see now. Let us see here क्या था यहाँ पर कि number of A's 20 से ज्यादा थे. अभी number of A's हम 20 से कम करते हैं. ठीक है, ऐसा स्ट्रिंग लेते हैं, करेक्ट? सो सेम थिंग, ये टेप है ऐसा अज्यूम करो, यहाँ पर बी है Q0A, करेक्ट? Q0A क्या हो गया? Q1 XR, यू आर इन Q1. Q1A, Q1 AR, Q1B, Q2 YL, ये Q2 हो गया. Q2A, Q2 AL, Q2X ये हो गया Q0, Q0 XR, Q0A, Q1 XR, Q1Y, Q1 YR, Q1B, Q2 YL, Q2Y, Q2 YL, Q2X, Q0 XR, Q0Y, Q3YR, Q3Y, Q3YR, Q3B लिखा है हमने, लिखा है हमने? नहीं, करेक्ट? ये हमने लिखे नहीं है, तो ये तीनों आ जाएंगे एरर, ये केसेस आ जाएंगे एरर. सो यहाँ पर QF रहेगा, QF में चला गया मतलब एक्सेप्ट स्टेट में, ये डैश का QF में चला गया मतलब एक्सेप्ट हो गया. सो QF आप लिखते हो नहीं लिखते हो डजंट मैटर, बिकॉज यू आर सेइंग एक्सेप्ट. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? आप कोई भी एक स्ट्रिंग लो, यहाँ पर वर्कआउट होना चाहिए, होना ही चाहिए. दो, मुझे एक स्ट्रिंग दो. सपोज हम अभी हम ऐसे अज्यूम कर रहे हैं ना कि सपोज ये स्ट्रिंग हो रहा है शुरू बी से, बी 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 ए, वी नो दैट इट इज नॉट फिटिंग हियर. सो Q0B हमारा है क्या यहाँ पर?
नो सर.
नहीं, खत्म है ना, हो गए नहीं. सपोज ऐसे लिया ए बी, अभी इसको लेते हैं Q0A, Q1 XR, करेक्ट? Q1B, Q1B क्या है? Q2 YL, इधर आ गया. Q2X, Q0 XR, Q0Y, Q0 YR. अभी सपोज आप ये Q3 नहीं लिखते ना, यहाँ पर Q0 ही लिखते सपोज, तो क्या हो जाता? Q0 के बाद फिर से A आ जाता, करेक्ट? ठीक है ना? फिर A, इसको A को X कर देता, B को Y कर देता, देन ये वैलिड हो जाता ना स्ट्रिंग उस केस में, होता कि नहीं?
यस सर.
दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई आई चेंज दिस स्टेट. बट आप जैसे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करोगे तब आपको अंदाजा आता जाएगा कब करना है कब नहीं करना है. आप उसको चेंज ना करते हुए ट्राई कर सकते हो, बट आपको पता चलेगा अरे नहीं इसमें गलती हो रही, देन यू कैन चेंज दैट स्टेट. इफ यू कीप सेम, यहाँ पर अगर आप सेम रखते हो Q0 कोई करते हो, कैसे लिखेंगे इसको? क्योंकि फिर से A आ जाएगा ना बाद में, सारे A's को X कर देगा, लेकिन हमारा लॉजिक वो नहीं है, करेक्ट? आर यू विद मी?
यस सर.
देख लो एक बार, कोई भी एक स्ट्रिंग दो, उसको ट्राई करते हैं हम. अभी हम लेते हैं शुभांगी, गिव मी वन स्ट्रिंग which you think would be acceptable from this set. Give me one string. You can give me bigger, not a problem.
5 times A, 5 times B.
बदला 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4, करेक्ट? ओके, दिस B. ठीक है, अभी इसको करते हैं. Q0A, Q1 XR, Q1 AR, Q1 AR, Q1 AR, Q1 AR, Q1B, Q2 YL, करेक्ट? Q2 AL, Q2 AL, Q2 AL, Q2 AL, Q2X, Q0 XR, Q0A, Q1 XR, Q1 AR, Q1 AR, Q1 AR, Q1 Y. देखो Q1 YR है वहां पर, यस. Q1 B, Q2 YL. अभी यहाँ पर Q2 Y, Q2 YL, Q2 AL, Q2 AL, Q2 AL, Q2X, Q0 XR, Q0A, Q1 XR, Q1 AR, Q1 AR, Q1 YR, Q1 YR, Q1 B, Q2 YL, Q2 YL, Q2 YL, Q2 AL, Q2 AL, Q2 X, Q0 XR, Q0 A, Q1 XR, Q1 AR, Q1 YR, Q1 YR, Q1 YR, Q1 B, क्या होगा? Q2 YL, Q2 YL, Q2 YL, Q2 YL, Q2 AL, Q2 X, Q0 XR, Q0 A, Q1 XR, Q1 YR, Q1 YR, Q1 YR, Q1 YR, Q2 YL, Q2 YL, Q2 YL, Q2 YL, Q2 YL, Q2 X, Q0 XR, Q0 Y, Q3 YR, Q3 YR, Q3 YR, Q3 YR, Q3 YR, Q3 B, QFBN. डन? एक्सेप्ट हो गया? देखो निवेद्या, ठीक है?
यस सर।
समय, मनवर,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? एनी क्वेश्चन? ठीक है फिर? ओके, सो आई विल लेट मी ऐड द स्क्रीनशॉट. आप इनको खुद ट्राई करके देखना एग्जांपल्स को. आप खुद ट्राई करो लिखने का. ओके, इफ यू कैन नॉट अगेन सी दिस वीडियो and then maybe you can check it one more time to see whether I have understood it or not. Fine? ठीक है? Now what I will do is I will, for these three examples, I will record a video. Okay, now only, so which I will share on Moodle. So it would be like if I want to write it as an what you can call it a transition diagram. उसको कैसे करते हैं? I will show that to the transition diagram. ट्रांजिशन फंक्शन क्या है? सीधा ऐसे लिखना, डेल्टा क्यू 0 कॉमा इक्वल टू Q1 XR, बस खत्म है ना. डेल्टा Q1 कॉमा ए, डेल्टा Q1 कॉमा ए, Q1 1 AR. ट्रांजिशन डायग्राम में थोड़ा ट्रिकी रहेगा, सो आई विल वर्क आउट विद इट एंड विल ऐड द रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो. फाइन? सो यू ट्राई दिस एग्जांपल्स.